Hey everyone, today we're going to walk through something super quick and easy, getting the WorkTrace browser extension installed and ready to rock. If you're looking for a way to really, document and prove your work, you're in exactly the right place. So let's just dive right in.
So before we even click a button, let's talk about the why behind all this. It really boils down to the simple, powerful idea. Your work, your proof. I mean, that's the whole game, right? WorkTrace is built from the ground up to give you this solid, undeniable record of what you've done. It lets you own the story of your work.
Okay, so to make that prove happen, you gotta have the tool, right? And listen, we are not gonna mess around. I'm serious. We can get this whole thing done in like 90 seconds. You ready for this? Let's go. All right, let's do it. We're kicking things off with what I like to call the 3-click install. And yeah, you guessed it. It's because getting WorkTrace into your browser is literally that easy. Okay, first things first, just a super quick compatibility check. WorkTrace works great with Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and pretty much any other browser that's built on Chromium. So if that's what you're using, you're golden. Let's move on. And here it is, the whole process. Step 1, just head over to your browser's extension store. The Chrome Web Store or whatever you're using. Step 2, pop WorkTrace into the search bar. And step 3, hit that Add to Browser button and then just confirm it. Seriously, that's it. Okay, so installation complete. Awesome. But wait a second. You're probably looking at your toolbar thinking, where did it go? Don't worry, we're on it. Next up, we're going to make that little icon show up. Yep, this is probably the exact question you're asking yourself right now. You saw the installation successful message, but the icon? Poof, vanished. So where did it go? Okay, deep breaths. Don't worry. This is totally normal. In fact, it's kind of a feature of modern browsers. To keep your toolbar looking clean and not all cluttered, they just automatically tuck new extensions away after you install them. So here's the deal. Right now, you're in the situation on the left. The extension is installed, but it's hidden. What we want is to get to the situation on the right, where it's pinned and visible all the time for super easy one-click access. So, how do we fix it? It's so easy. Look up at your toolbar and find that little puzzle piece icon. That's for your extensions. Give that a click. Then just find WorkTrace in the list that pops up. And finally, see the little pin icon right next to it? Click that. It'll probably turn blue, and you'll see the WorkTrace icon magically appear right on your toolbar, for good. And that's it. Just like that, you're all set up. Which brings us to the best part. Ready, set, record. You are officially ready to start documenting your work. Seriously, that's it. You're ready, you've installed it, you've pinned it, now the fun begins. So what's next? The only thing left is to actually start documenting. Just go up to that brand new WorkTrace icon you just pinned in your toolbar, give it a click, and you're off to the races. And so that really just leaves one last question for you. Now that you've got this awesome tool right there, ready to go, what's the first thing you're going to document?